I've been meaning to make this video for a while now. I think the last video uploaded on this channel, long form video, not some short content stuff, it's probably back in May, I want to say. Sometime in May. Yeah, kicked off our summer. It was great. Went on a family vacation. Took everybody out west. Saw a bunch of national parks. Got to use our camper, brand new camper. Basically went for 3 weeks. It was fantastic. Went to states that I never thought I'd ever visit and fall in love with. North Dakota, I'm looking at you. Love North Dakota now. Yeah, but while I was on vacation, started noticing some discomfort in my stomach, which at nighttime turned out to be like a lump that would stick up higher than the rest of my stomach. So it's kind of a little concerning. Didn't let it get the vacation down, but definitely something I wanted to get checked out when we got home. So that was like the first couple weeks, first 3 weeks in June when we were on vacation. Swing back to when we get back to Ohio at the end of June, get in with my primary care physician, explain everything, what's going on to her, and she immediately feels the lump in my stomach and sends me right over for a CT scan. That happened July 1st. So all of this has been happening very quickly. Well, it turns out I have a giant tumor in my stomach, which is pretty much lymphoma, and which required a hospital stay for a few days to kind of help my kidneys as they were filtering some of the gunk from the tumor. But luckily that was only for a couple days while they got some medicine in me to get my kidney numbers back down normal. Been seeing an oncologist on and off. I've had 3 biopsies now. Nothing fun, but we haven't really determined what kind of lymphoma that I currently have. Going in this Monday for a surgery to hopefully take some tissue because the previous biopsies all came back inconclusive. Not enough in them to actually say what form of lymphoma it is, and I need that before I can get my treatment plan. So this Monday, finally going in for a surgery. They're going in through my stomach to hopefully get some tissue from this large mass. And they're also going to be putting a port in for treatments, which hopefully towards the end of this month, or I would say even the start of September, I can finally start my chemo treatments for this. There's a lot of information to throw out there, but I've been trying to stay strong and figure out what to do with this channel because I kind of do miss being out here. But it's kind of not my priority right now. I've always kind of used wood turning as a way to escape and relax, and I think that's what I'm going to do here, but I don't think I'm going to be trying to push selling stuff as much. I just want to have fun and create things that I think are interesting. We still got quite a few projects already started, so we can finish some of those. I really want to turn some bigger bowls. I really don't know what I have a need for bowls right now for, but definitely want to get back out here at some time. I just don't have energy a lot right now. I get out of breath a lot pretty easily, but I was feeling good one day and actually came out here and rearranged a lot of the shop. It's kind of messy because I did that, but I was trying to work on the flow. So I got the lathe in the same spot. Yeah, so that's the kind of stuff I'm going to be doing. I don't know how many long form videos will end up coming to the channel. I still have one from, gosh, May that I worked on, which is where this giant pile of juniper shavings came from. I was planning on packaging those up in these bags and then either trying to sell it on Etsy or give it away because it helps keep bugs away. But I think I might just throw it out now. We'll see. But I have a video from that bowl sitting on my hard drive. I just haven't had the motivation or anything to edit it. Hopefully I'll have the motivation to edit this video. I do miss reading comments and talking to everybody. I miss the community. I've been keeping up with some of the videos that my fellow wood turners out there have been putting out. Not as much as I would like. But I think things are going to be good. From what I've heard from other people's experiences, it's a very treatable cancer. It's a high rate of survival, which I really hope that I'm on that side. I'm really just wanting to know what level I'm at. Off my PET scan, I think they had 20 to 30 areas of interest all over my body, which is kind of scary. But you know, we'll get through this. We're gonna have some fun, hopefully turning here. Probably won't be buying much lately because I still have a lot of wood to go through, and I think I have all my tools. Maybe get a fun tool here or there for a gouge or something. But yeah, just wanted to pop on here, give you guys some updates. Trying to stay positive, and you know, let me know what if there's anything you'd like to see come from this channel. I hope not to bring anybody down. I just kind of want to like document a little bit of my journey through this whole procedure and process, as well as incorporate some wood turning. That's what I love to do. But with all that, thank you guys for watching. If you've made it this far, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, leave comments. If you or someone you've known has gone through something like this, it's always good to talk about it, I think, in my head. I'll probably provide some updates here and there. I don't know if I'll make it an update once treatments start. I know I'm going to be not in the mood to do anything, so I might try to film some stuff to just maybe edit while I'm just laying around and recovering. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon.